Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to buy gift cards using Bitrefill, which is a website that allows you to buy gift cards using cryptocurrencies. So, first of all, guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser and then search for Bitrefill. So here we go, Bitrefill, and let me just search for it. Here we go, and let's go. Now let's go to the website, which is bitrefill.com, and let's open it. So this is the website, guys, and if you go here we will see all the options that they give you. So this is the top gift cards in Morocco that I can get using crypto. So this is Morocco Telecom, Inui, PUBG Mobile, and Orange. Here's flight gifts, and that's it. And there's other things that I can get. For example, if I went here, see all, you will find that there is games. For example, PUBG Mobile, Roblox, Cherry Credit, Free Fire, Minecraft, RuneScape, 7 Days to Die, Arcade, Black Fur. There is whatever game you think that you can get. For example, let's search for the top games. So let's search for GTA. Here we go. Let's search, for example, for Valorant. And here you go. You can search also for League of Legends. And here they are also. You can search for example, let's say something, Amazon. Here there is. I think there is Netflix. I'm not sure yet, but let's say if there is Netflix. Okay, here it is. Actually, there is Netflix. Um, there is also, guys, Uber. If you want to get Uber, both Uber Eats and Uber normal Uber, you can find them in here. And basically, how you can get it, you just have to click on whatever you want, put here the amount of money that you want to buy, and then you will find here the amount that you'll have to pay in the cryptocurrencies. For example, USDT, I have to pay 905. For example, Bitcoin, so let's click here Bitcoin, so 0.04075767. That's the amount that I have to pay with Bitcoin. Basically, what I have to do now is just go ahead. If it is on stock, basically this one is out of stock. So let me just go to something that is in the stock. Okay, so add to cart and check out. And basically here you put your email, continue, and then all you need to do next is just send them the money in their address. So yeah, guys, that's how you can get whatever gift card you want using crypto. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.